Today we're going fishing. Open your trunk, bro. Got the cooler, Air Maxes, ready to go.
Texas Motorplex. Focus on the 69, huh?
God dang. Nah, but what were you saying though?
Nothing, bro.
You pussy. You were talking about eating pussy. Yeah, what? I hate this road, bro. Like those little bumps.
Me too.
But yeah, I guess we're going fishing here, I guess, right? I wonder where we're gonna stop though. Like to go fishing.
That's
Yeah, this shit just keeps going.
oh, there's something right there, right? Like a little bank.
Yeah, I guess.
I don't think we can get there.
Yeah, I don't think we can fish there, but I don't know. Fuck, we'll find somewhere.
You can fish off the bank, it's $5 a car, or you can fish at the marina, you can pay there, they're privately owned, yet you each have to pay. We just opened back up today.
Okay.
We've been closed for 6 weeks.
Oh, really?
It's because of the flooding,
Oh.
and so the day use is closed, you can't go in there.
What do you think is better to fish?
Right now, I kind of think the marina, so.
Okay.
I think you'll-
All right, thank you.
Have a good one.
But she said they have crappy houses
Crappy?
for crabfish.
Oh, crappy houses.
Oh, shit.
Fucking. Oh, man. Was it?
No, they do these little houses, right?
Uh-huh.
Underwater.
Okay. So the marina is in somebody's house, bro. I don't know. Just keep going, I guess. Bro, we're just going in someone's house. Really? This is what we're doing, huh?
Yeah.
Dang.
Nah, I don't know. I think they just live here.
They live here.
The marina's behind it. It is a pay to fish area. Please sign in and pay in the marina store.
Fish for
Fish on
free
the banks or
on your birthday. Oh, it's my birthday.
Motherfucker, you think?
Shit, it's my birthday. Fish for free. Yeah, I guess park over there.
Here, but where the hell is the shop?
All right, I guess we're here. Somebody's fucking backyard. God damn. I know. Oh, a duck. Maybe. Hopefully.
Don't go on with that, man.
Huh?
You can feed them. You trying to rent a kayak?
Hell no. I don't know how to swim, bro.
And?
2 inch. Shit, I'm a 7-incher, dog. Oh, let me strictly force. Oh, this feels nice, bro.
It's nice.
Fishing. Haven't caught nothing yet. Mohammed, so what happened, bro?
Fuck that bitch.
Who, bro?
That bitch that was driving the car behind me.
Who honked at you?
Yep.
That's alright. We'll be alright. We're gonna eat some Chinese food. We didn't catch no fucking fish. Bamboo.
What kind of connection is that?
What?
We didn't catch any fish, so we're gonna go eat Chinese food.
Hell yeah, nigga. Fuck. Oh shit. God damn, Muhammad. Fuck. Oh, bitch, come
That's
on.
how
bro.
you stop.
God damn. Run, bitch, run.
Oh, they got deals on dick.
On dick. What are you, redneck? No, okay. Speaking of rednecks, no, wait. So,
Where
what's up?
electronics at?
You might go get some. Gonna buy a game, right, Muhammad?
Nintendo Switch.
Nintendo Switch. Tripping.
No, they probably have them in the back.
Yep.
If they got it.
Yeah. You excited, huh? I'm buying him this shit too. Nah, I'm just playing.
You buying who?
Nah,
I guess. Shit, go ahead, man.
Nah, but I'm sure.
Yeah, you're right.
He's excited. Oh my. Musicians. Yeah.
Why?
Why? Why? Why? Why? Why?
Oh, look who's happy. Got his new Nintendo Switch.
Shut the fuck up.
How old are you, you fucking old motherfucker? You got a whole beard and everything.
See, the problem, though, you're going to be playing with it, too.
Bitch. Shut up. True.
Oh, shit. It has brakes, too. Oh, shit. Come on, bitch.
You know what's funny? You know what's funny?
What?
I work at Walmart too. And I hate people do this. I hate people do this.
But you're doing it.
I'm over here doing it. Now I know what they do.
Oh, okay.
So all the couldn't wait to go home and open it, so you can open it
Bitch, I
right
said
now.
I'm just going to check. Okay, cool.
You good?
Yeah.
God damn. Checking if the controller was there?
Yep.
Okay. Oh shit, you still opened it, bitch. Couldn't wait till you got
No,
home.
I didn't open it.
You fucking
I
child.
didn't open it.
Bitch, you did open it from right here.
No, I didn't. Where?
Right there.
It's closed.
Bitch, look. The house loose like your pussy. Look
Why
at
did you open it, bro?
Bro, you opened it.
It was a fucking gift.
Motherfucker, it's here for you.
Why did you open it?
Bitch, I have it on film. You opened it yourself.
Now it's open.
Bitch, you opened it.
God damn it.
Motherfucker, you
How am I gonna gift it
The
to
fuck?
them?
you opened it yourself.
Fuck, man. What the fuck, man? Nah.
You fucking idiot.
Say that shit. Tell me you can say that shit. All she wants is hate for the way I always play that shit. You ain't getting nothing that I'm saying. Don't tell me you is nothing like some other motherfuckers. I could make you rich. I could make you this. Baby, I could make you that.